Welcome back friends to the YouTube channel TECHNTRAINER. Today I'm going to telling about how to make shutdown virus. Firstly, right click on desktop and go to new option and click on second option shortcut. After that type shutdown minus R minus S space minus T space put your time. Here you can put your time, like if you type 61, that will be 61 second. If you type 180, that will be 180 second. You can type anything else in the number. Now I'm typing 00, that means after clicking on this virus the system is shut down at the time. So after that click on next, then provide a name. That I'm providing a name of shutdown virus and click on finish and provide after that right click on shutdown virus and click on properties. After that click on shortcut tab which is already clicked, and then click on change icon. It will said that you cannot change the icon, so you cannot change. You can change the you can change the icon. It will show an error for confusing. You can choose the any symbol and OK. After that apply and OK. It will show like an error. If you click on this particular icon, double click, then your system will automatically shut down within a second, within a 0 second. If you click, then you can see the system is automatically shut down by clicking on this icon. And thanks for watching, and subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Goodbye.